Hey guys, Disney Collector here with a new Planes playset from LEGO Duplo. This one is called Skipper's Flight School. Let's see what we have in this box. Skipper, instructions, LEGO parts, one package, Dusty, Speedy, Dottie, and another package, and one more package. On this first package we have the tires and propellers. Here's Dottie. All she needs are her tires. And there it is. She's ready to roll. Here's Dusty. He needs tires. And his propellers. This here is Skipper. He needs tires and propeller. These two planes and Petey are all painted with no stickers. Now let's start building Skipper's Flight School. And since this is LEGO Duplo, we can take it apart and build anything else that we want. Just use your imagination. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from LEGO Duplo right here on Disney Collector.